Akhil Srivastava. You are seeing quadratic equation of class 10, exercise 4.2. 4 questions I have explained. Question number 5 and 6, 2 questions are left here. Question number 5 and 6. Now we'll see the question number 5. Find, it is over. Question number 4 is over. 5th question, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Right triangle, very simple. Altitude is given, you can write like this. If you have any problem, you can write, draw a figure. If it is a 90, suppose it is altitude, let the altitude be x, base be x, base is x, and your question is saying you, the altitude is, right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base, 7 centimeter less than its base, let the base be x, let the base be x. So altitude, what will be the altitude? Altitude is saying that 7 centimeter less than its base, x minus 7. So it will be x minus 7. And if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, it is given. Find its other two sides. What will you do? Find its other two sides. So very simply you will do, apply the Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. So 13 square is equal to x minus 7 square plus x square. 169 x square plus 49 minus 14x plus x square. You will get 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169, here this side 0. So all you transpose, so you are getting 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Or you can write like this, 50, 60, 2 7 are 14, 60. Very easy. Factorize 60, 12, 5 is 60. 12 and 5 difference is 12 and 5 difference is 7. So you are getting x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x is common, x minus 12 plus 5 is common, x minus 12. You are getting two factors, one is x minus 12, another is x plus 5. Now, if x minus 12 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 12. If x plus 5 is equal to 0, then what will you get? X is equal to minus 5. What will you write? Why it will be reject? Because it is a negative length and breadth you will not get. So x is equal to 12. It means base is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeter. Altitude is equal to x minus 7. 12 minus 5, 7, that is the 5 centimeter. It is given x minus 7, 5 centimeter, and it is your answer. Your answer is 5 and 12. Now the next question is given. Next question, question number 6. A cottage industries produce a certain number of the poultry articles. The cotton industry. So question number 6. Figure is not necessary in this, but if you want, you can draw. Pythagoras will be, because quadratic, how will you frame it? It is very important part. Question number 6. Last question of this exercise. A cottage industry produces certain number of the poultry items in a day. If it was observed that one of a particular day that the cost of the production of each article is rupees 20 in rupees was 3 more than the twice of the number of article produced on that day. Let the number of the article produced on a particular day be x. Let the number of article produced in a day be x. So the cost of each article rupees, what is the condition given? Was 3 more than the twice of the number of articles. 3 more than the twice of the number of articles. It is the cost. 3 more twice of article means 2x plus 3. If the total production on that day is rupees 90, total of that day. Total of that day is given rupees 90. It means number of article into cost. So according to problem, what are you getting? X multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. It is a very common. So find the article produced and the cost. Find the article produced and the cost. So number of article 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. 9 2 ja 80, 19, 2 into 90, and then prime factor. Okay, you are getting 2 9 ja, 2 45 ja, 3 15 ja, 3 5. You want to find out what is the, how will you get the 3 difference comes? 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 5 3 ja 15 and 12 3. So you will get 2x square plus 15 minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. X is common, 2x plus 15 minus 12 is common, minus 6 is common, 6 2 ja 12, 2x minus plus 15 is equal to 0. So two brackets you are getting 2x plus 15 and x minus 6. If 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 15 by 2. You reject. Why reject? Production will be not in negative. If x minus 6 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. So, number of article is 6. Cost of each 2x plus 3. 2 into 6 plus 3. 6 2 ja 18 plus 3. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 3. Rupees 15 is the cost of one article. Rupees 15 is the cost of one article and the 6 is the number of articles. Today you have finished this chapter, this exercise 4.2. Now you will study the solution of the quadratic equation by two ways. One method, middle term factor, which is 9. Till here you are studying 9th standard. Now we will study the 10th standard portion, quadratic formula and Sri Dharacharya formula, which is called as well as, and the completing square method. reducing in quantity. These things we will study, which is in the 10th. It is generally, you have already seen in the previous classes. So, we will discuss in the next chapter, next lecture. Thanks for today.